Hey parents, we're just about to end with day 2 of distance learning, and what I'm noticing is kids are not finishing all of the things on our checklist, and I just want to touch base with you and make sure you're understanding what's expected every day. So you see here my version of Seesaw, and every morning by 9 o'clock, you're going to see something similar to this posted. That is from me. This has a list of all the activities that your child is required to complete every day. Now, when you click on that sheet, it will get a little bigger for you so you can see it. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to view the original. When you view the original, that makes it easier for you to access. Now, when you pull this sheet up, you're going to see a list of items here that kids need to finish. Anything that's underlined in blue directly takes them to a link with a video or something like that, where kids, all they need to do is click and watch, and they're done. On the right here, you're going to see the materials that they're going to need before they start that activity. At the bottom this week, I've had different Seesaw challenges for kids to complete. I haven't gotten super great feedback from kids on that. I don't know if they're not making it to the bottom and doing that, but this is important for kids to complete because I do need them to get to know Seesaw. The purpose of these challenges are for them to kind of learn how to navigate Seesaw and use all the tools within it. And this is a great way for me to see that they're indeed utilizing the things that they need. Another thing that I'm seeing is that kids are just using Seesaw as a fun game tool, and they're posting just random things that have nothing to do with anything, which makes it hard for me because that makes me have to filter through a lot of extra stuff that I don't need to necessarily look through. So this is my challenge for you all. I really appreciate all the teamwork and the things that you're doing to help this get going. And I understand that you are busy with multiple kids doing at-home learning and your own jobs and responsibilities you have. But at the end of the night, before 8 o'clock p.m. rolls around, just sit down and take a look at this and make sure your child has completed the things on this checklist. And if not, please check in with them and help them complete those last few items. I don't think these items should be taking you more than an hour to complete total, and most of it is very independent. Your child should be doing it really all by themselves. All I'm asking you to do is just take a look at the end of your day and make sure it's all complete and posted onto Seesaw. As always, let me know if you have any questions, but this document is the document you really need to be looking for every day. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.